Hello traders, Jamie over at Trade Ideas here. Today is March 28th. Wanted to pop in and show you guys some new features that we've got in Trade Ideas Pro. Throughout the years, going all the way back to 2003, one of our themes here at Trade Ideas is that we take information that's been around forever, but we put it in a format that's easier to use and easier to make sense out of and react to. And we keep innovating. We do not stop. So what are we looking at right here? Well, we're looking at our sector status channel. Here we can see we've got top list for every sector and a main one for the sectors themselves, and represented in the form of the ETF for that sector. Now, the top list, one of our most popular windows, right under the alert window, actually the second window that we ever created at Trade Ideas. Top lists are very helpful, but as we can see here, it's more of a spreadsheet format. We can see which ETFs representing the sectors are up the most in the first 15 minutes or so, and that can help us clue in on the actual sector itself that's in play, and then find the hotter stocks, the ones that are moving up the most, have the most action. So this is the way it was done in the past, and then we innovated the top list to be able to run real-time stock races. So if I right-click here and I launch a real-time stock race, well then now we've created a race for that specific top list. This can help us figure out which stocks are making the biggest moves as we see stocks winning the races. But we didn't stop there. All right, so what I'm going to show you next is the exact same channel, but with our new addition to the top list, which we call tree maps. Get rid of that one, and then voila. You're looking at the same layout, but every top list is now in the tree map configuration. So for example, our ETF list up here, XLE definitely leading the pack. Nice gap up. Things been in play for a while now, just ramping up on the long term. But a gap up, little run down, and then a push back up. So things are cooking in the energy sector. Now down here we have the energy tree map, EQT. Boy, sure wouldn't have been bad to be to be long on this range break right here on EQT today. Nice and shiny all the way up. What about the next biggest guy? MRO, Phillips, Apache, right? So all of these stocks showing up on this tree map early in the first 15 minutes. We know the hot sector. We can easily go over there and look at which of the stocks in that sector have the most upside energy, most volume, or whatever other metric it is that you like to focus on. So these tree maps can really help bring the active stocks, the active ETFs to the forefront in a much more conducive and visual format. So once again, we do not stop innovating. We simply take the information that's been there forever and put it in formats that are easier for you to make use out of, making your decisions quicker and helping you increase your trading performance. So everybody keep in mind, today is Thursday, March 28th. The markets are closed tomorrow. So I hope everybody has a nice long weekend. Recharge those batteries and we'll come back and we'll see you guys next week. Once again, if you like this content, please like and share. And until next time, I'm Jamie. Bye for now.